Let's start this bulletin with some big breaking news that's coming in on the broadcast. There's a big update as far as the Delhi liquor policy case is concerned. Yet another setback for the Aam Aadmi Party in the Liquorgate. Now, the ED has informed the High Court that Aam Aadmi Party should be named as the accused. This is, of course, in a first that a party is being named as an accused in a graft case. So, big setback for the Aam Aadmi Party. Multiple of its top netas have already been sent to jail over this entire matter, and now the party in itself is becoming an accused, and this is of course something that the ED has now asked the High Court to consider. My colleague Bhavtosh joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Bhavtosh, help us understand what this could mean for the Aam Aadmi Party, because on one hand we've seen its leadership cripple as far as this particular probe is concerned, and now the entire party could potentially be named as the accused. What's it going to mean for the Aam Aadmi Party?
Well, as far as the Enforcement Directorate is concerned, there is in fact a hearing that is going on in the Delhi High Court, and during the hearing, Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju informed the High Court, in fact Justice Swarnkanta Sharma, that they are in the process of making Aam Aadmi Party an accused in this case. Remember, the Enforcement Directorate will be filing a prosecution complaint against Arvind Kejriwal. That will happen in next few days, and the Enforcement Directorate said that not only they are filing a prosecution complaint which is akin to a charge sheet against Arvind Kejriwal, but also against the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, if they file a charge sheet against Aam Aadmi Party, that would be for the first time in independent India that a political party, that to a national party, would be named as an accused under Section 70 of PMLA. Now, what has happened in past 2 years since ED has taken over the investigation is that ED has said that around 100 crores kickbacks were taken by Aam Aadmi Party, of which around 45 crore rupees were used by Aam Aadmi Party during the election campaign in Goa in 2021. Now, ED has further said that this was done purposely, and then modifications were made in the excise policy, then excise policy 2021-2022. Though Aam Aadmi Party had denied this charge, but since this would be the 8th prosecution complaint or supplementary prosecution complaint as far as this case is concerned, and since ED has said that their investigation in the excise policy is now virtually over, and this would be the final prosecution complaint that would be filed by them, they are not only naming the national convener of the party as an accused in this case, who happens to be the Delhi Chief Minister, but also naming Aam Aadmi Party as an accused in this case.
Absolutely, Bhavtosh. In fact, this of course is a move by ED which virtually signals that not just Arvind Kejriwal or a couple of other leaders, but multiple leaders across the party's lines have been involved in this particular scam. And of course, this is something that will be troublesome for the Aam Aadmi Party. I appreciate you joining us on the broadcast there with all those details. Now, shifting tracks to yet another breaking update that's coming in from the broadcast basis the similar story. There's no relief for BRS leader K. Kavita. Now, Delhi court has extended K. Kavita's judicial custody. This is now K. Kavita, who was on multiple occasions trying to seek some sort of a relief. She's been accused of heading the South group in the Liquorgate scam, in the alleged Liquorgate scam, which of course is now something that the probe agency is saying that she was involved in giving 100 crore rupees worth of kickbacks to the Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, Kavita's judicial custody has been extended till May 20th. So trouble clearly mounting there for the BRS leader, who's of course tried to get some sort of a relief from multiple grounds. She's of course on one hand spoken about medical reasons as well, and also on the other hand has sometimes spoken about her son's exams as well. But the probe agency has managed to get her judicial custody, which now is extended till May 20th. All right, so we will be getting you all